been home for, I don't know, maybe 18, 20 hours. I'm already getting messages from so many people asking me to build them stuff or make them chains or all kinds of stuff. And, I literally just got home, so you got to give me a moment. But I did find a bunch of stuff at my door. One of the things I found was a double piston brake that I got this plate separate, and it bolted right on. This is a razor fork end, and it bolted right on. I'll go ahead and get the link, but I got it on eBay, and it was no big deal at all. Now you just got to hook up the hose and the correct master cylinder. What I do like that happened was somebody's really cool, Patrick and Matt, which is also called Matrick, sent me a whole bunch of goodies. Matrick sent me an adapter that lets me change the height of a fork shock. Of a swing arm shock that goes on the back side. I've been making them for a while, but this is so much nicer and easier. It's a beautiful piece. And the other thing that I'm really, really interested in is this. What they've made is some kind of an adapter that allows you to bolt up to a razor wheel and then throw on a dirt bike rotor. So it should be able to handle both of them at the same time. That's really exciting. I love that. I think that's really neat. I can't wait to try this out. I wonder if it'll work on a rear wheel too. I don't know, but it came with a bunch of nuts and bolts. And I'm pretty sure there's some instructions on the internet for me. Can't wait to check them out. Man, you guys are awesome. I really love seeing people find solutions to everyday problems. It's 11 o'clock at night. I have my voice, but I already went to work and everything else. My battery packs from the trip back to Florida, I melted a terminal. This terminal to be exact. So I already cleaned it and it still doesn't work. I'm going to have to cut it. So when I go to work tomorrow, I'm also going to go ahead and redo it and then show you guys how I make Y splitters for the whole thing. I have to finish Q Feng's MX powertrain build because I got him an entire build for like $800 or so. He got a motor controller, like one of these bad boys, He got one of these wired up to go with a modded 2 kilowatt and some 14 amp hour batteries like these guys over here with throttles, like I do, basically like I do. And then set him up with everything he needs, front forks and brakes. It's exciting. But like I said, it's late and I've only been home for like 24 hours. I've already done 7 or 8 hours worth of work. People are already pressing me to go faster. I'm not going to go faster, but I am going to go at my own rate. And that's still pretty insane. So get to modding, guys. Let's see what you got.